Are you guys wondering how a Sarkari girls hostel looks from inside? Come, let's find out. This is the girls hostel of PCSGMCH West Bengal. This is a 10-storied building well occupied with all the necessities for girls. After entering through the main gate, there is a security area here. There is certain timing for entry and exit in girls hostel. And this is a waiting area for the parents. Moving straight, let's go to right hand side. This is a stairs. This is a lift. Moving straight, this area is generally prohibited. No one usually goes there. Let's get out from here before I get into any trouble. If we move to the right hand side after entering through the main gate, we will reach to the most important facility, that is canteen. This is the main dining area of the hostel where the hostel residents are provided with the major meals of the day: breakfast, lunch, evening snacks and dinner. Come, now let's move forward from our canteen. On the left hand side we will find this room. It is used for recreational purpose and we also have used it for meetings. Now let's move forward. Moving further inside, there is lift facilities available in our hostel. This is another door of our canteen. If we move further forward, this area is also not used commonly, so that's why it is not so cleaned. Come, let's go to my floor. I will show all the other facilities and rooms that are available there. This is the corridor of my floor where the rooms and other facilities are available. We have come to the residential section of our hostel. The corridor provides access to the individual room as well as the shared facilities. Generally, triple-seater or double-seater rooms are allocated for the student. If you want a detailed room tour video, I have attached the link in the right upper corner. We also have stairs connecting different floors. It is basically used in case of emergency. If we move forward, there is another lift. This lift I have shown in the ground floor. If we move farther forward, so this is the water filter. Beside the water filter, we have another section for interns and senior residents. Separate lifts and staircases are available for them also. Though I don't know properly, but I think these are the single-seater room which will be provided to us when we will be doing our internship. If we move farther forward, there is a window at the end of our corridor. You can see the rail station from this window. This is the boys' counterpart of the hostel. Now let's come to the sanitation facility. The hostel provides common washroom and shared bathing facilities. We have got wash basin, bathing space, Western and Indian types of toilets here. Let's move to the other part of the corridor. This is the lift by which I have come to this floor. So there is two lifts. That was the main lift and this is another lift. Moving forward, we got another staircase this side. Let's go down and show you how our campus looked from that window. Our beautiful campus can be viewed by this window. That is our college, this is the playground, this is the garden, all can be seen by this window. If we move farther forward, there is also residential room. Now here's our PWD washroom. As we don't have any PWD students, so this is used by us only. So we got our shower, toilet, basin, all are available in a single washroom. Now here comes our main washroom. So here also we got wash basin along with mirror, and there is also bathing space, and Indian and Western toilets are available just like the other one. So in the bathrooms we got shower also. I'm not going to film it because of privacy. Just like the other end of the corridor, we have also got another window here. That is the teacher's quarter. That is our beautiful garden over here. Look at our campus, how beautiful it is. I will give you a detailed campus tour soon. Overall, this hostel provides much more than an accommodation. That brings us to the end of our hostel tour. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.